Welcome back! So, as you know, we're shopping in local charity shops to find some items for an extremely low price. This will not only help our bank balance, it's really sustainable too. Recycle! These are coming to an ice rink near you at £14.50. These 3D glasses are online for 250 quid. They don't look great, do they? Let's have a nosy at some of those purchases I've made today. Got this cooling mattress for dogs, helps keep your dog cool in the warm weather, brand new in the packaging. This retails online for £25. I've also seen it in Waitrose for £20, so we've made quite the saving there at £7.50, winning. Got this The Ordinary gift set, which is called the Daily Set and includes 3 items in it. And this retails online for £15. Got it in the shop for £10, all sealed, perfect condition. And it also came with this, which is organic cold press rose hip seed oil, which itself is 9 quid. So all of this for a tenner, I'm saving quite a lot of money. So bargain, I'm sure you'll agree. Got this Louis Vuitton alike bag, obviously a fake, but in really good condition, although it does look slightly weathered. Has all the usual Louis Vuitton bits, comes with this lovely purse, which to be honest, I think I would have bought itself. All of this for 8 quid. I actually might give this to my little cousin as like a dress up. She can pretend she has a designer bag when in fact it's a dupe. So £8 for this when you'd usually pay thousands for the real thing. So quite happy with that one. This is a lovely woven basket. Initially I thought this is going to be great to put washing into, but the more I've played around with it, I'm thinking I might get a plant to put in it. Might also be good for hats. Oh no, would not recommend as a hat. So yes, this was £8. These type of baskets retail online upwards of £25 to £30. Thank you so much for watching. If you have a charity shop in your local area that you think we should come and check out, please comment below. We'd love to come and have a browse. If you've liked or really disliked anything we've bought in our shop today, please also let us know. And I'll see you next time. Bye!